Before we start, I want to share a famous quote from Denzel Washington. He said, "Goal on the road to achievement cannot be achieved without discipline and consistency." And that's literally what this video is about. Hello everyone, my name is Nishant, and in this video, we'll be talking about Nutanix NTC program, what is a roadmap, how you can be a part of NTC. So, what NTC actually is, it's not an exam, it's a community recognition program. It's not exam like NCP or NCA or NCI. It's not where you need to write any technical questions. It's not based on even in your follower counts on LinkedIn or any other social media program. It is a recognition of consistent visibility or contribution on Nutanix community. And if you want to compare, you can compare with this with VMware vExpert and Microsoft MVP, which is Microsoft most valuable professional. Once you become NTC or Nutanix Technology Champion, you will get earlier access briefing on the products and the roadmap. You will also have a private betas and input into product development. You can get whatever the products are coming, you'll have a beta access and you can share your valuable inputs to product development team. You'll also have a direct meeting and the engineering team access because once you become Nutanix Technology Champion, you'll have access on the Slack channel and where you'll be part of the internal NTC group where you will find people working in Nutanix directly from product team, from support team, from engineering team, and from all different type of team. And they are really there to help you. If you have any question, you can directly reach them and ask them, and they're always there to help you. In case if you want to continue your journey with Nutanix and if you want to pass certifications such as NCP or NCAX or NPX, you will find mentorship on that. So how you can apply? So Nutanix opens NTC application in October between 1st to 31st, and you will find this application form on Nutanix community portal only. Usually after you submit your application, the review will happen in November when Nutanix check your profiles and whatever information which you have submitted during your application submission time. An announcement will happen on December and this announcement will publicly available on Nutanix community portal. So what actually Nutanix is looking for from the NTC? So first you have to be very active on Nutanix community forum, which is community.nutanix.com. And there you need to have your answers, not just always questions. I know many people, they are complaining that why they are not selected in Nutanix, but most of the time you will see there is a lot of question they have asked, but they don't answer or they don't support anybody with the solution. So you need to show Nutanix that you have a knowledge and you were able to help other peoples to solve their problems. Also, speaking at user group, meetups and webinar really helps. And big stage is not really required. Even if you have a small group, 4 or 5 people of group, meetups and webinar, this really helps. Hands-on experience really count. Sometimes Nutanix NTC is not just about blogs. Also, once you are visible in the network or with the work, people from the Nutanix, they will notice you. And that really helps. The content creation is really help a lot. If you are working on Nutanix, I would really suggest to start sharing knowledge, your blogs. And most of the time, what I realize is that blogs really helps. You should have your dedicated blogs page and you should share whatever you are learning or whatever you are helping or whatever your hands-on experience on that blogs. Also, your mindset has to be give back. You need to help other people. And this is the whole agenda of Nutanix NTC, to help others. And once you are NTC, your has to continuously do the same efforts. Otherwise, you will be not part of the list from the coming year. And this is what has happened with me. So how I got NTC 4 times in a row. So first I got lucky that I was able to build Nutanix presence in the Kuwait and Middle East. on early time. Second, I was a part of the few teams or few team members where we got initial access on Nutanix technology in Kuwait and in the Middle East, where I helped many customers, and it was quite new. So we were able to visit each single customer, and it was completely new technology out there. Start sharing. This is really important. As I said, you need to have your dedicated blog. You need to start sharing or create some sort of content using blog or vlog. And sometime for blogs, you don't need to spend your money. You just create a free your blog website on WordPress or any other blogging platform, or even you can create some good videos on YouTube. And the most important formula is stay consistent. Don't stop. Once you start, be consistent. And this is mistake I did. I was continuously publishing blogs and videos and other stuff for 4 years, and then after that, I got busy with a lot of other things. Then I was not consistent, so I stopped that portion. And after 4 years, now I'm not part of Nutanix NTC program. And sometime, in fact, I also failed to apply. So before you start, what your checklist has to be. So you need to pick one channel, not in the end of the year, not in the August time. You need to start from now only if you want, if it is your target and if you reach this video. So first you pick any channel on maybe your blogs or YouTube or LinkedIn, and you start sharing or creating or talk about Nutanix. Answer question in community portal, and these two really helps. And I'm pretty much sure that if you are consistent with these two approach, you'll be definitely part of Nutanix NTC team. Second one, say yes to speaking opportunity. If you find anywhere where you need to get a chance to speak about Nutanix, always say yes. Document the real work, and that also helps. Sometime you need to share the works with other people. Be honest on the form. So when you submit the form from Nutanix NTC, just be honest. Don't overwrite, don't oversell. Just write what you are actually doing and where is your contribution. If rejected, don't worry, apply again, because Nutanix always just select few people and the shortlisting is very tight. So if you're planning to be Nutanix NTC, it's all about sharing. You need to continuously sharing your knowledge and through your blogs, videos, or any other platform. I hope this video is informative for you. It is very quick video. If you have any doubts, any if where you require any clarification, please put it in the comment. I will I will glad to help you.